Alright, now we've got our Camoclad all over the side of the boat. The last thing you want to do after you get it all trimmed out is take a heat gun or a hair dryer and actually heat the vinyl up and go over it with your squeegee again and burnish it down real good using good, hard, firm pressure. What this does is just sets that vinyl onto that metal by heating it up. Now we've got the side of the boat all done. We're going to show you to do the transom. We've pulled the motor off. We've cleaned the back, washed it, did the Scotch-Brite pad, wiped it down again, and then put Prep-Sol on it, just like we did the sides. We've got the motor out of the way. We've got our piece pre-cut, ready to go. We're going to have the seam over here on this right side, and we'll stick this piece up. Level it out here. We're going to pull a little more of the backing down so we got some of the adhesive down here where the rest of the transom is. Alright. The other thing we've got is we've got a tie-down hook right here. So we're going to go ahead and make a cut for that hook. Push that on in there. Then we'll take our squeegee and we'll work that vinyl down all the way around that hook. A little bit of a wrinkle there, so we're going to back it up a little bit. Work that on out of there. We're going to run across a couple screw holes here. Just work around those a little bit. We'll want to take this loose from the top, tuck that back underneath there, make sure we get it good and tight. We've got our other tie-down hook right here. We'll put that in place. We're going to make our seam probably right around this other hook. We'll come in on the other side, right around where this hook's at. So. Just like on the sides, you just kind of keep a little tension on it down here at the bottom. Just keep working it down. If you get any wrinkles, you can just put your hand up underneath it like so. Push it loose, and then just continue on. Now we've reached the bottom of the boat here. We can trim this out. And then we'll just trim our bottom piece off here. And we'll be ready to go. Alright, now we've got the transom all done. Go over it with your heat gun. We're going to finish the other side, and we'll have this john boat all wrapped up. We've got a Camoclad. It looks great. Sure looks like a super duck hunting boat here. Well, we finished our Camoclad boat project. We've done the whole boat, both sides, the transom, and it looks awesome. This is definitely going to be a nice looking waterfowl hunting rig. It's not a hard project at all to do. So, appreciate your time and hope you enjoy the Camoclad products.